Hello perfume lovers, welcome to my channel Perfume Space. In this channel we review a lot of perfumes that make a success in market and the most alternative for good and niche and designer houses fragrance. Today I bring for you Saint Honoré. Saint Honoré is a perfume from the collection of Les Infinis, the house of Geparlys. These 5 perfumes in this collection Les Infinis produced in 2020 or 21. You find the review of these 5 in the link in the app right. Here today I bring this one, Saint Honoré. This perfume is similar to the famous perfume Bois d'Argent. Bois d'Argent from the house of Dior. This perfume is woody, produced in 2004. The opening of Bois d'Argent is the cypress and juniper berries. In the middle notes we have the myrrh and the patchouli, and in the base note we have the vanilla and the woody notes, the miel and amber, and the musk and leather. Bois d'Argent made a lot of success in the market, and this one in front of you here, Saint Honoré, is very similar to Bois d'Argent. This perfume here, before I describe for you the scent, let me show you the box. The box, as you see here, is a beautiful box. I love it because it came all in white. All the 5 perfumes by the collection of Les Infinis for the house of Geparlys. It comes in the same design. The mainly thing different is here in the front the name Saint Honoré. We have this sticker here of Les Infinis Paris, perfume d'exception, because it's a niche perfume of the house. This perfume comes in eau de parfum concentration and 100 ml. In the back side of the perfume we have this sticker here of Geparlys and this design also, and some informations about the perfume. In the size we have nothing. In the top you have a sticker of the collection of Les Infinis. In the base we have the informations of the perfume and how to store it, and also we have in the bottom of the left of the right side the batch code, as you see here, 1102A/20. This batch code is the same in the bottom of the bottle. And now, after describing the box, let me show you the perfume. As I said before, this perfume comes in EDP concentration and it's 100 ml. The bottle is well designed. It's very heavy, and it's nice when you put your hand on it. As you see here, the color of the juice is a goldy color. In the front we have here Saint Honoré, Les Infinis. In the bottom of the perfume we have this sticker here, including the batch code. As you see here, 1102A/20 is the same one on the box. The cup of this collection of all these 5 perfumes, I like it very well because it's holds the perfume very well. As you see here, it's a magnetic one. In the side of the cup we see here the logo of Geparlys. As you see here, you see with me, this cup is secure the sprayer very well, and as you see here, the sprayer comes in golden color. It's like the color of the juice. I will spray with you 2 sprays in order to take an idea about how it's spray. as you see here, the sprayer is good. Well, when you smell this one in the first time, definitely you will remember Bois d'Argent. Bois d'Argent, after reformulation on 2018, it's become a little bit different than the one who produced it on 2004. And here, Saint Honoré, I think it's very, very close to the scent of Bois d'Argent. When you smell this one, you will feel like you are happy and very and not there is no stress. It's very elegant. It can be wearable in all occasions and all time, all the day long, in the morning or in the evening. And this one, it can be wearable in all seasons: fall, winter, spring, summer, and also it's wear by men and women. This perfume here is unisex. When you spray this one in the opening, you will get the berries and the incense. The incense give to this one an honorable scent. In the middle note, we have the myrrh and the iris. And in the base note of this perfume, we have the vanilla and the musk and the amber. The vanilla gives to this perfume a little bit of sweetness. I feel in love with this perfume because it's very versatile and it's elegant. When you smell it, you will be happy. It's not that kind of perfumes that like crushing your face when you spray. It's have a good ingredient. When you smell it from the opening until the dry down through the middle notes, you will be happy and very grateful for this perfume. This perfume is not based as sillage, but it's based regarding the performance of the longevity. When I make it in my shirt, when I spray on my shirt, it rests for a week, entire week. I still smell it on my shirt. So this one, I recommend it to buy it if you love the line of or if you love Bois d'Argent. Definitely you will love this one, because regarding to the price versus the quality, I think this one is a good deal. Thank you for being with us and for watching this video. Here I review with you Saint Honoré from the collection of Les Infinis by Geparlys House. Stay tuned, and if you want to know the other collection, just enter to my channel and you will get the other 5. And in the future I will describe for you the black suite. And thank you. Stay tuned.